3-door refrigerator, bottle cooler. Okay. Classroom fitted with cascade AC, cassette AC, notice board, revolving whiteboard, and lot of accessories for testing. A good brand like GW Insect and Nestec are there. Something like temperature tester, temperature recorder, like a checking and recording the temperature. Anemometer. Good brand like a Baker for instrumentation. It's like a manifold gauge from high value. This is workshop for students who are going to come for the admission of refrigeration and air conditioning. This is a weighing scale. This is a blue star, visible cooler. Okay. Yeah. This is the air handling unit fitted with indirect system. There is a water pump and which is attached to this. Four-door refrigerator. Four-door refrigerator. By Samsung. Is 591 liter capacity. This 3-door refrigerator, standard model from Whirlpool, 321 liter capacity. This is equipment for learning and maintenance of the cooling devices. This is dyadic water heating system. This is a charging station with wheels which can move to any place. This is indirect and direct air conditioning direct system. This is a big unit weighing around more than 400 kilograms. This is the back side of the unit, how it has been made. This is a humidification and dehumidification trainer with the PC interference. You can attach a laptop and check the reading. This is a car AC tutorial model where you can see, you can add the load, 1 man, 2 man, 3 man, 4 people, like this, and you can check the power, the blower, the motor, compressor, the suction pressure, discharge pressure, everything is there. These are the real car AC. This is a split AC, which is used commonly at home, and this is the trainer kit for the split AC air conditioning. This is a VRVF system. I'll go inside and show you how it works. This is a big ducting system for learning with the dampers and diffusers of a different shape. You can see commonly used in a mall. This is commonly used in restaurant, hotels. This is also commonly used in shops where there is a central air conditioner. This is the model. This is the absorption system. It's mainly used in the rural areas or in the jungle areas where there is no electricity. It is charged with the ammonium gas and water, and then it can go minus 15 degrees Celsius without electricity. This is a glass tube refrigerator, which is a patented model. You can see here actually how the vapors are generated, how the air conditioner gas is generated, everything. And this is very, very special model. You can see applied for the patent. This is the equipment for learning and maintenance of the home appliance, like a refrigerator, a small refrigerator you can see, and a lot of things attached here. This is cascade refrigeration system. It's a big system fitted with the meter, fitted with the energy meter, and suction pressure, discharge pressure you can see here. This is a working table for student to work, and these are SS202 tables. These are the tables and the chairs for the instructor to sit by Godrej. This is the bookshelf. This is the refrigeration, compressor, test rig. This is two-door refrigerator by LG, frost-free refrigerator model, standard, standalone. This is a ductable test rig, where you can see this is a trainer model. You can adjust the intake pressure of the air, and then you can see how it works at the other end, how is the temperature, and whenever it starts, it's deeply frozen this side, is with a very low temperature. This is standard ductable AC by Blue Star. Ductable AC. This is a bottle cooler by Blue Star, standard model, mainly used in the restaurant and the dairy. This is a standard air conditioner for a window by Blue Star, standalone model. These fittings are done in a cable tray, and then the fans are there. The total load capacity of this room is more than 25 ton if the total ACs are calculated. This is automatic ice cube machine, mainly for the restaurant use, where you can get the automatic ice in the square form. It's a cube section. From here you can get the automatic ice. The capacity is 100 kilogram per hour. This is the Blue Star standard model for a bottle cooler, normal, cold, hot. This is a water storage system, like a cooler trainer model. These are the standard Godrej lockers for student, and this is mainly the epoxy paint. You can see the reflection. This is epoxy paint, and these are the bathroom and toilet. This is the basin, and this is the backyard of the machinery of the outdoor. The big outdoors are here. First is the package AC of 5 ton, which is now you have seen the ducts outside in the various, like dampers and diffusers are there. This is standard model of Blue Star. This is VRVF system, mainly used for the IT companies or the big offices where there is only one outdoor and many of the indoors are working on one outdoor. This is the outdoor for the cold room. The cold room is mainly used for the various purpose, like the cold room is used for the various purpose like storing flowers, storing various fruits and dairy products, or sometimes also for the medical use. The temperature goes -5 degrees Celsius. In this room is purely insulated, with a thick section. Okay, you can see. These are all the custom-made models. This is a heavy exhaust fan here given, because there is a lot of heat generation will be there here from this section. So this is the lab of air conditioning and refrigeration. It's the first lab, I don't know where, in Maharashtra or India, but these equipments are very rarely seen in the bigger lab also, like IIT or something. Thank you.